Okay, so today on Goomonese Coins and Banknotes, we have, wow, UV. Some interesting use of the UV spectrum. So we're just going to go through the current series of banknotes, and we're just going to see this unique security feature. Australia, actually it's not unique. Every country pretty much uses it. So on Australian banknotes, on the front of the banknote, which has coin with the second, the major UV feature is the actual bird. So underneath the metallic hologram, and if we turn over the backside, the only other UV feature we have is the actual date of the banknote. So this does change with every year, and also the serial number seems to disappear. So it doesn't show it here, but with your eyes it actually does disappear. Okay, so here we have another series, and this one's 2019. And then we have the third banknote, which is 2021. It's also 2018 and 2020, but I don't have any of those. I haven't actually seen any other 2019s or 2021s. Most of them are 2016 still. Okay, so $10 banknote. The security feature we have showing up is the cockatoo. So, and you notice that the actual virus, well, that's actually supposed to be waddle, but people just say it's virus or bacteria. It actually disappears between the rings. So, and once again you turn it over, the only security UV feature on this side is the date as well. Okay, so then we got the $20, obviously the same thing. The kookaburra shows up as UV. The rest of the banknote, no. And if we turn over, once again the date is the only thing that shows up. Okay, the $50. Okay, the $50 has the swan and no other security feature in UV. And on the back we just have the date again, so 2018. Would be good if it actually showed all the spelling mistakes in UV as well. That would be interesting. And the last one we have is a $100 banknote. The L shows up as UV. So there you go. And being $100, they should have included more UV characteristics on it. Once again, the date. So that's basically it. So basically the two things that you got on these banknotes is the bird and the date on the other side. No other UV features for this type of series. Anyway, next one I'm going to do is the older series. So we'll see what type of UV features these ones have. Anyway, thank you and have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time.